So I stopped for gas, and part of the pump fell into my filler neck. What? What a pain in the ass. There's one installed. Look at that. Look at that reflection. So I just had 2 employees come out and tell me they don't know what to do. They don't have any tools to get the shit out of my car. It's not my fucking responsibility, it's theirs. So we'll see what happens. Yeah, do that first. Don't take that apart. That hose is 1 year only. They don't make them anymore. That's why I'm like, don't touch it.
If you put some oil a little bit, when you lose this, you put little oil, and then with the screwdriver, use little bit. You know what I mean? Little by little. That's the only way. That's the only way to take it out, because it's in here. It's not here. It's in here. We need to take this heavy thing out. You want me to do it? I do it.
I don't want you to do it. I like I said, if that gets messed up, they don't make them anymore.
I know. Well, you do it. I'm trying to help you, but are you in this position? You do it. I don't care.
So apparently he doesn't care. But my car's fucked. This isn't fucking helping. So I've given up and I've gone ahead and taken this out, but you can see it better, but I still can't get to it. There you go. The tools they've brought me are useless. I could try to take that end off, I guess. Fuck yeah, I got it out. Don't try to tell me this had anything to do with me. This is their shit. So I got it out. Just to be clear, this is the 76 station food mart at the corner of Westminster and Harbor Boulevard. So I don't recommend you come here, because I sure as fuck won't ever again. Alright guys, we'll see ya. So obviously I won't be buying gas from these assholes. I gotta go find another station, but what the hell? Alright, like I said, corner of Westminster, Harbor Boulevard, Santa Ana or Fountain Valley or something, or Jordan Grove, I don't know. 13960 Harbor Boulevard. So if you ever want to get gas, don't fucking come here. I forgot the whole reason I went there to get gas was because I need fucking gas. And I don't know where the next gas station is. I'm gonna turn right on Trask. There should be a gas station at Fairview, I think, or Bristol, I don't remember. So we'll stop and get gas. Sorry for the TikTok format. It's the way it is in my mount right now. Not taking the time to turn it. But so I ended up pulling the hose on one end, loosening the other, being able to twist it around so that I could get the bent long nose pliers in there. Once I did that, I was able to get a grip on it. But you saw how long that fucking thing was. It was huge. And that shit was down and working its way into my gas tank. And that's not cool. I don't want that shit in my gas tank. So you know, I wasn't mad at those guys. I mean, shit happens. I was mad that they weren't helping. The one dude just kept saying, I don't care, I don't care. What do you want me to do? I don't care. Well, you know what? You should care. It's your fucking job, dude. I mean, I even asked, hey, you know, if you got the owner's number, give him a call. See what he wants to do about it, you know. Like, otherwise, I'm towing it to the shop and send you the bill. Well, I can't do that. Well, you know, I realized I wanted to get the hell out of there more than I wanted to be right, so I'm out of there. Still right, though. Fuck that. So what's left? What do I need to do? Get gas, get home. I've done damage to that hose. I know I have, the filler neck, because the damn thing just, it was already old. So I knew the minute I started taking it off, I would be damaging it. And that's exactly what happened. Truck didn't decide to go. I thought he would. Anyway, I think up here is a gas station. I sure hope so. I don't know how much range I got left. The sender's whacked on this thing. Alright guys, like, share, subscribe. You know what to do. Get those subscriptions up so I can remonetize this channel. Alright guys, see ya. Arco, Pastor and Garden Grove Boulevard. And it's even way cheaper.